John here for the Best Buy Canada blog, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Xbox Series X. So here we have on the front of the console, there is a USB-A port here. This is the sync button, and it also functions as an IR blaster so that you can use previous generation remote controls on the Xbox Series X. We've got the eject button here, and here's the power button. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it over to the back. All right, and here we've got the HDMI out, the power, the Ethernet or LAN port, two high-speed USB ports, and this is the storage expansion slot that you can add the Seagate 1 terabyte drives to. So we're going to go ahead and also take a look. There's the top of the Xbox Series X, where all the heat and the fan pushes that heat out of there. And we take a look at the bottom here, and this is a stand. The stand is not removable, regardless if you have it horizontal or vertical. This allows for proper airflow underneath to be sucked in and out the top to cool the console itself. Now let's take a look at the controller. The Xbox Series X controller looks very similar to previous Xbox controllers. It feels very familiar and comfortable in my hands. They've upgraded the D-pad here. It's a lot more clickier. Kind of looks like the Elite controller. We've got our share button here now, so it's easier to share out content. And on each of the grips here, you can see it, there's some texture. So it allows you to get a good hold of the controller and so it won't slip. And on each of the trigger buttons here and the bumpers, they also have that little bit of texture there, so it's nice firm grip on the controller. And at the bottom here, you can hook in a wired headset, or in there you can connect something like the chat pad or something like that to it. During my review period, I got to play enhanced version of Gears 5, Forza Horizon 4, and I also got to try out Bright Memory. So I've recorded some gameplay footage for you to check out from each of the titles, so you can get an idea of what they look like on the Xbox Series X.
Dave, light. Remember, there's a big locust burial site in this island. We're hatched, we're gonna be waist deep in swarm.
This is one hell of a way to come back to Azura.
Hey, get back! Oh, shit!
What the hell? I need to search a place that's falling apart.
Quickly. Come on, we can use the ledge.
Baird's plan to launch a satellite from here? It seems a little half-baked.
Well, half-baked plans are kind of Baird's specialty.
How'd Baird even figure out they had a hammer satellite here?
My father, before he died, he let Baird in on
and you better get ready for this next showcase. I'm serious, I have no idea what to expect here. I don't know if you've ever seen one of these in action. Tell you what I do know. One, they go both on land and sea, obviously. And two, they are louder than the loudest sound system at Notting Hill Carnival. Well, here on Block Party, we take that as a challenge, don't we? I'm Mr. Jam, and I'm ready to bring the noise.
Right, that's a speed zone. Red line it out the other end. I'm tracking your average on my laptop. Go, go, go!
You're back on the Block Party. My name is Mr. Jam. I have had the most amazing summer at Horizon. It's been wicked. All these lovely autumn leaves and things are making me sad. Honestly, because that means it's nearly over. I'm going back to my old life.
These two worlds are connected, like a pair of twins. For one to survive, the other must be sacrificed.
Sheila, have you found anything?
Just a special ID card. Nothing else that I can see.
Roger that. I'm on my way.
Who it is.
Keep in touch. Sheila, are you okay?
The situation isn't very good.
Hang on, Trevor. I'll be right there.
So this is the control system. There may still be time. Huh? No way.
Long time no see, Shelia.
Carter, why are you...
I advise you to stay out of this matter. Wake was as stubborn as you are.
What the hell happened here?
And there you have it. That's a brief overview of the Xbox Series X. Make sure to visit the Best Buy Canada blog for my full review of Microsoft's next generation console. Until then, I'll see you later.